Hello there, how are you? Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'm on day 2 of the breakfast series that I'm making. I'm showing you how to make 8 breakfast meals under $30. Okay, so today is going to be, I'm going to make the cranberry juice, which is going to be the juice for the week. And I'm also going to make banana bread for the meal for today. So here's the cranberries that I bought from the supermarket. This bag of cranberries is the fresh cranberries, cost $1.99. They are in the store now because it's close to Thanksgiving time. Usually around September, into September, October, they start putting them in the store. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make the cranberry juice, and then we're going to move on to the banana bread, okay? Alright, let's do it. Thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. Please share the video because everybody needs to know how to feed a family of 4 for under $30 for 8 days. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so I'm gonna put the cranberries in this pot. You're gonna use a really tall pot because you need to be able to put a lot of water in the pot so that the when the berries extract, that's how you're gonna get your cranberry juice. Okay, so I'll show you how much water I'm gonna put in this pot. Okay, the cranberries are in. Let me fill the pot with the water so I can show you. And this is another cheap way where you can make juice, because juice is very, very expensive. Some juice, it costs $2.99 for a quart. Some costs $2.99 for a gallon. It just goes all over the place. And, you know, how long does that really last? So how can you get what you need with your juice is to make it. Okay? So that's what we're doing with the cranberries. And this is within our $30 for 8 meal budget. I'm almost finished filling up the water. Okay, so my water is up to here on the pot, so actually I filled up the water amount to 3/4 of this pot. Okay, so I have this much that I don't have water in because it has to boil, and you don't want it to boil over. Okay, alright, so I'm going to put the top on. You're going to boil it until you extract all the juice from the berries. You'll know that because the berries will collapse, and I'll show you that. And you're going to stir it occasionally to make sure that you get all the juice from the berries. Alright? Okay, so that's what we're doing. You put this over here. And that's going to be about an hour. Okay, my fire is on. And that's gonna take some time. So let's move forward to the banana bread. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so this is a banana bread mix that I'm gonna be using. This says quick bread and muffin mix too, banana. Okay. Alright, and I'm going to be adding to that 1 banana. You know, I bought some bananas. So I bought actually 3 bananas. So I'm going to be adding 1 to the mix. Okay, so let's do it. This is my mix. I'm putting it in the bowl. So our instruction says add 1 cup of water. Here's my cup measurer. Let me get some water. Okay, we need 1 cup of water. And then we need 1/3 cup of oil. Here's my 1/3 cup measurer. Right up to the top. 1/3 cup of olive oil I'm using. Now you can use whatever oil you have. Okay, and it calls for 2 eggs. I gotta get 1 more egg. Okay, I have 1 egg here. I'm going to add 1 more. Okay, that's my 2 eggs. I'm going to just beat it so it's one consistency. Okay, now I want to add something in addition. I'm going to add some vanilla. This is vanilla extract. If you have pure vanilla, you can add that. If you have another flavor, you can add that. Actually, I'm going to see if I have banana. Let me see. No, I don't have banana extract, but if you had it, it would be great to add it. So I'm going to use the vanilla. That's 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Okay, so I'm going to mix this up. Okay, let me show you this. Okay, now I'm going to add the 1 banana. And you just want to smash it really good so that it breaks down into the mix. Wash my hands. As you see, I'm smashing it also on the side of the bowl. Try to break it down as much as you can. If you use a mixer, it would work. Also, it would definitely break it down. So you see I'm smashing mine on the side of the bowl. And it's doing it. It's breaking it down. Okay, I already oiled my pan here. This is a loaf pan. And I put the oil around the edge already. Okay, so I'm just going to put one more layer of oil like that. Just a little bit. That's only like a tablespoon. As a last measure of oiling. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to pour this in. Oh, it smells like banana. It smells so good. Okay, so there we have it. I'm going to put this in the oven on 350 until I can put a butter knife in it and it comes out clear. Okay? Alright, so I'll be right back with the word of the day. The word of the day. The word of the day is stretch your imagination. Stretch your imagination. You know, when you imagine something, your mind can go very, very far. Maybe you're imagining that you're on the beach, tanning, enjoying the weather in, I don't know, Florida. Or maybe you imagine that you're a millionaire. Or maybe you imagine that you're going to get out of whatever crisis you're in. Or maybe you imagine that you're going to be in good health always. Now remember, when you imagine things, it's not reality. It's a wish. It's a desire. If you want that to be reality, move forward in making that happen. You know, plan for that vacation. Plan for the hole that you're in that you're going to get out. Plan that you have good health by eating right and doing the right thing for your body. Now that can take it from an imaginary thought to reality. Imagine how you can change things. Now that's the word of the day. Thank you. We're waiting on the banana bread to cook and the cranberry juice, okay? Alright, we'll be back. Okay guys, so our banana bread is out and it has cooled. It took the cranberry juice 1.5 hours, not 1 hour, 1.5 hours to extract. So when all the juice comes out, this is what it's going to look like. I wanted to show you that. So you see how it turned from a red color to like a gold color, and everything is out of the shells. Okay, so then you're going to strain it twice. I strained it once through a colander, and each time I do this, I perfect my skill with the cranberry juice. So this time I strained it the second time with this very fine strainer. If I had a cheesecloth, I would even go even finer, but I don't have one right now. Okay, so here's our cranberry juice. It's hot, so I won't be putting it in a glass or anything. I gotta let that cool a couple of hours. And this is banana bread that we made. All right, so I'm gonna cut the banana bread and taste it for you. 1 second. Okay, banana bread for a family of 4. It tastes just like banana. Awesome, awesome, awesome taste. So you can make this the night before and have it ready for your breakfast in the morning. How about that? Along with your cranberry juice. Give it a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, check out my links below. Love you. See you on the next breakfast meal.